Welcome back, gals and guys. Today we're looking at another haul video. I did another big order from makeflix.com and got a bunch of good box sets and a couple VHS tapes, so we'll go through these real quick. So the first one is the SKULLFACE Astronaut Collection, Babes, Monsters, and Blood from Sterling Entertainment. This is another one like we've seen before with the Camp Blood and Axe Grinder series. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Blu-rays on the inside. Check out some of the great artwork. Pretty cool. I like these little box sets, man. They're pretty fancy without being too fancy, but also not poorly made or anything. Let's see if you got here part 2. Let's see if we get these in the right order. Okay. These are cool. It's admittedly, I actually know nothing about this series. I just kind of went through the makeflix.com box sets sales page and just bought everything. So, first one we got here, we got SKULLFACE Astronaut Beyond the Wall of Fear. Channel 99. Drifter. Dark Zone 13. Odd Noggins. And Dark Zone 13 Part 2. Looks like a lot of these have commentaries and making ofs and trailers. Yeah, looks like all of them have that. Serial at Midnight box set reviews. So we'll be going through and ripping all these using my Blu-ray ripper to create MKV files, and I'll throw them on my Plex. That way I can watch them whenever I want, wherever I want. The next thing we got here, we have Revenge of the First Wives on VHS from Future Video and Sterling Entertainment, 1997, 83 minutes. It's a red VHS tape, so maybe I'll do a individual video for that one once I watch it. And we got the Things collection from Sterling Entertainment. I remember buying a Things, so this one's again signed up there, if you can see that. David Sterling. I remember buying like a Things VHS special edition like box set for a friend of mine for Christmas that he still has on display at his place. I think it was Things. So I've seen the first one of these, I know, but I haven't seen any of the sequels. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Things. This is in the right order. 5. That's part 2. I'll have to check out the order on these. So we have Things, slideshow trailer, raw footage, box set reviews, first things cut. Things 3. Let's see if there's an order on these. No. So I wonder if that's part 2. I'll have to look into it. Again, besides seeing the original one, I don't really know much about this series, but I will. Things 3. Slideshow trailers, Camp Blood YouTube review, Occultist YouTube review, Axe Grinder YouTube review. Things 4. Things 5, Strange Monsters. Joe Sherlock's Things with a Z. This one's got Jackie Naaman Jones from Manos and Hands of Fate on there. And Things 666. So this is one I've been looking forward to. Again, I'm not sure how often they make these box sets, but I'm pretty sure I've looked before months ago, and the box sets were out of print or they were sold out. And then I looked again here recently, and they had added more, so I took the opportunity and bought them all. And then here we have Robot Ninja on VHS. It's a Phantom Pain Films, Tempe Entertainment, 1989. It's a clear clamshell package, black cassette. Looks like it's got a reversible cover. So I'll do an individual video on that once I watch it, and we'll look more in depth. Pretty cool though. So it actually came with a comic book from Tempe Press, the official comic book adaptation of Robot Ninja. Cool. And these we'll have to go through, and I'll eventually buy the Blu-ray editions of as well. It also came with a poster, a two-sided poster. Robot Ninja. I just killed Dale Cooper. Oh no. He's got a damn fine cup of coffee going on. And then finish this all off with the Empire of the Apes collection from Sterling Entertainment. I've seen trailers for a couple of these on the other box sets that I got. But again, don't know too much about them, although I recognize some of the people in them from being in some of the other things. Some of the Camp Blood people. So what else we got down there? Nice. So I'm not sure about the chronology on these either. I'll have to look more into it. We have Empire of the Apes. Special features, 16:9 high definition director's cut, trailer and slideshow. Invasion of the Empire of the Apes. Revolt of the Empire of the Apes with Tina Krause, who I recognize that name. I said that in one of the other videos where Tina Krause was in, I think one of the Camp Bloods perhaps. I knew I recognized that name, but I didn't recognize the name from all of her quasi-adult-ish themed stuff, but I recognized it from Chris Seaver's Quest for the Egg Salad that she was in. That's where I knew that name from. I swear. Guerrilla Warfare Battle of the Apes. Robo-War Man Must Beat Metal Machines. That's cool. Mark Polonia. And the Yeti Experiment. No. The Yeti X. Could I just say Experiment, right? Okay. The Yeti Experiment, but that definitely says the Yeti Experiment. The Yeti Experiment. So, okay. Frozen Sasquatch. Cool deal. The other ones look pretty good. This one looks like it's kind of low quality printing. But it definitely says the Yeti Experiment. So cool. And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's going to be a 3D copy. Yeah, Empire of the Apes 3D. So that's a DVD. And then they tossed in a pair of red-blue 3D glasses. So that'd be a fun experience. Yeah. So yeah, so I got the Things collection, SKULLFACE Astronaut collection, the Empire of the Apes collection, all these I'll be going through here in the next couple weeks and ripping to MKV files for my Plex account and watching them. And I'll watch those VHS tapes. We'll do individual videos for those, perhaps once I get them watched. But yeah, I thought it was a cool, fun haul right there. Cost a little bit of money, but it's definitely worth it. So I'll put these box sets along with my other box sets, and we'll see those in the future. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.